China EV Post reports Tesla is increasing layoffs in China, impacting various departments at its Shanghai factory. The layoffs, extending from mid-April, now include customer service, engineering, production, and logistics teams. Previously, sales representatives were mainly affected. The exact number of employees impacted remains unclear. Those laid off will receive compensation of 1 month's salary per year of service, plus an additional 3 months' pay. Tom Zhu, previously overseeing Tesla's Asia-Pacific operations, returns as Senior Vice President of Automotive amidst these layoffs. Tesla's global workforce reduction exceeding 10% as stated by CEO Elon Musk, comes in response to declining sales and a competitive electric vehicle market. Tesla China's sales dropped to 62,167 vehicles in April, a decrease from previous months and year-on-year, facing stiff competition from local brands like NIO, which is launching its Onvo sub-brand to directly compete with Tesla's Model Y. You are listening to Yuan News.